Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, this is Rahil and you are watching Students Nest. In this video, I am gonna talk about the very basic steps which we must follow step by step when to apply for YouTube monetization, or you can say when we have to apply for YouTube partner program, we need to follow these steps. Well guys, I wanna make it simple, short and to the point, so let's start it. First of all, we need to open the YouTube page, and after that you need to open your channel from here, the logo present right on the top right side of your screen. Then you can select two options. The first one is you can directly click on the YouTube Studio which is present here in the list. Whereas the second option is you can click on your channel which is also present here in on the top of the list. I'm gonna choose the second option, and after loading then you have to click on manage videos. You may better know that after clicking on that manage video option we will be switched to YouTube Studio. And here we have to go directly onto the monetization option which is always present here. I wanna clear few points here. For applying to YouTube partner program or for monetization, you need to achieve these two tasks, in which the first one is you have to complete 1000 subscribers, and the second task is you have to complete 4000 public watch hours, and these two tasks you have to complete these two tasks in your previous 365 days. Okay, so once you have completed these tasks, then this apply now button right below will appear and you will be able to apply for YouTube partner program. You can see here that the apply now button has already appeared, so this means that this channel has completed the required tasks and now it is able to apply for YouTube partner program. So for applying YouTube partner program, we have to click on this apply now button. Once you click on this apply now button, so the three different steps will appear on your screen which you have to follow step by step for application to YouTube partner program. You can see here step 1 is review partner program terms. So here in this step we need to carefully read, understand and agree with the YouTube partner program terms and conditions. Well, for starting step 1, we simply need to click on the start button here and the terms and conditions we have to agree with will appear. Joke apart guys, most of the times we skip reading these kinds of lengthy terms and conditions, but it is strongly recommended to read these kinds of terms and conditions before agreeing with it. Well, once you are done with the reading, then simply scroll down and tick mark this option and then click on accept terms. Then wait for a while to load the page, and after a while you will see step 1 is done. Then the next step 2 is about Google AdSense account, which we need to link here in this step. So we can start this step by simply clicking on the start. When you click on start, this tab will appear in which three options are present, but we have to choose only one option. If you have already a Google AdSense account, then you can go for the first option, which is yes, I have an existing account. But if you don't have, then you can select the second option, which is no, I don't have an existing account. And similarly, if you have a confusion or you have any kind of doubt that you have that whether you have an AdSense account or whether you have not, so in that case you can go for the third option, which is I don't know. Well, here I'm gonna choose the second option because we don't have an existing account, and after selecting the second option I have to simply go for the continue button and click on it. After loading of the page, we need to choose one of our Google account for it. So here I'm going to select the same Google account of the YouTube channel. and after selecting it, the next page will appear. At this page, the website URL has been selected automatically, so we don't have to do anything with it. Therefore, we need to complete the next steps. In this option, it totally depends upon you. If you want to get any news or any kind of updates from Google AdSense account, then you can select the first option. And if you don't want to hear from Google AdSense account, then go for the second option. I'm going to select the first option. Next, you have to select your country where you are. This channel belongs to Pakistan, so I am going to select Pakistan for it. After selecting the country, wait for this portion to load. After loading this area, read and agree to it and click on the create account. Well, unfortunately, I am facing some internet issue, therefore I am going to proceed from it. After loading the page, here we have to simply click on get started. Now we need to fill out these sections, in which the first one is account type. So there are two types of accounts, and it depends upon you whether you choose the business account or individual account. I am going to select the individual account. The next section is about name and addresses. Okay, so let me clear you an important thing here, that in name section you need to write your own name instead of your channel name. Therefore, it is recommended to write your full name here in the name section and your complete address in the address section. The next one is city. So you need to write your city name or the city near to you, and then you need to write the postal code of that city in the postal code portion. If you don't know the postal code of the city, so there is nothing to worry about it, because you can simply search it through Google search. Simply go to Google search and search the postal code of the said city. Like here, I am searching the postal code for Chakdara because the city this channel belong to is Chakdara. The next one is almost the last step for Google AdSense account creation, which is the adding of your Actio cell phone number. So you need to add your Actio cell phone number here in this section. After completing all the sections, it is strongly recommended to proofread all the filled section at least once to avoid any kind of mistakes or any kind of inconvenience. While proofreading, scroll down slowly and at the bottom of the page, you will see the submit button. Once you are done with the proofreading, then you have to click on the submit button. After clicking on submit, wait for the page to load. And after loading of the page, once this tab appears, then we have to wait for a while. If it is not redirected automatically, then we can click on this redirect option and wait for redirection to the host. Once it is done, you can see now that step 2 is in progress, and it will take almost 8 to 12 hours to complete. Once this step 2 completes, the step 3 will be started and completed automatically. All you need to wait patiently for almost 8 to 12 hours. That's all for today. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you guys. If yes, then join us for more videos. Thank you.